Hi, this is Jerry Raffo, the CEO of iMAGsystems. We're here at ISE in Amsterdam, here demonstrating our world first integration of our director software, SDVoE director software, directly into a NETGEAR M4500 switch. The industry of AV over IP has sort of grappled with the control box, which is a new item added to the AV over IP game. We've been able to effectively eliminate that by having the switch, having the software live inside the switch. Based on SDVoE, we're able to use, software-defined aspects to create unique opportunities within the AV over IP space. Removing the hardware of an external controller and putting it inside the switch gives us a greater reliability, a lesser endpoint to monitor and expect to possibly fail. And our unique software offerings gives us a very unique ability to offer to AV over IP. Things like notifications that'll tell you when devices fall off the network, when units get turned off, if the HDMI cable is now disconnected, scheduling type features that will turn things on in the morning, change video routes, set up multi-view layouts, turn off displays at the end of the day, save power. The ability to check rooms to find out if everything is online and happy to be working for the next presentation every day. So these software-defined aspect to AV is what iMAGsystems is about, and with the help of NETGEAR we've been able to put that to fruition.